Let's take a look at what new things our tech wizards have whipped up for Times Tables Rockstars. My Login. We're now My Login single sign-on enabled, so you don't need to worry about students trying to remember passwords or waste lesson time hunting for login details. Wand, who some of you may already be using to organise your classes, have created a single sign-on solution which is designed to simplify the login process. With just one scan of a magic badge or emoji password, your students can instantly access TT Rockstars. If you're interested, you can email hello@mylogin.com about the steps to set this up. New login screens. You may notice that we've jazzed up our login screens. There is some snazzy new artwork and animation. New resources for launching TTRS. We've created a few new resources to make launching or relaunching TTRS a breeze. We have a new Rock Day poster, which you can use to get everyone excited about coming to school dressed as a rock star, and a new video called 5 Must-Dos for New TTRS Teachers. It's full of great tips to get you started on your TTRS journey. If you've got the stats bolt on, there's even more great stuff to try. Gong Green certificates. You can now print Gong Green certificates for a custom date range. These are great to reward students who've turned their heat map green during the school holidays. Rock status certificates. Just like Gong Green certificates, you can now print Rock status certificates for a custom date range. You will also be notified of any new certificates earned in the last 7 days. This is great for keeping up with and rewarding the progress your students are making. Also, you can now print all the Rock status certificates a student has ever earned, not just the highest. This is great if your students are powering up their times tables recall faster than your printer can spit out the certificates. New style custom leaderboard certificates. Custom leaderboards are great for motivating your students to improve their accuracy, time spent playing, coins earned, and a lot of other things. Custom leaderboard certificates have also received a glow up with a jazzy new design. Currently in the tech kitchen, but not quite fully cooked yet, are a few more improvements that will be hitting your devices soon. For those of you with a stats bolt on, later in September we'll be releasing full game logs for each student. That means you can see exactly what games your students have been playing, how they scored, and exactly when they played. These logs will update immediately, so you can keep a close eye on what everyone's been up to. Keep watching the stats area for information on when this feature will be live. Also, we have a fantastic new customisable keypad design coming soon that gives students more control over the look and feel of the Answer keypad. We're currently testing it thoroughly with students and teachers alike, but it should be available later this term. So those are a few of the things that we've been working on. Each of these ideas has come from a suggestion that one of you has sent in, so thank you. If you have any other ideas for new features, new resources, or improvements to TTRS, please do let us know by dropping an email to support@mathcircle.com. And if you'd like to get involved in helping us develop and test new TTRS features, let us know via the same email address. But for now, enjoy the new features.